tomorrow we're going to Hurricane Harbor. Okay, so we got some waters. We got some jellos for the kids. Yeah, we bought this, which is what you are. I'm having a hard time connecting to the Wi-Fi to my app. I don't know how I live life without this GoPro.
I've been telling you for...
I was sitting here hooting and hollering, ranting and raving about this GoPro 7 Silver, and then it ends up creating fog around the lens after one use, one day of being in the water, and it doesn't even work. We're out here at Lizzie's house dropping off Dada. Here's Noah and Sabrina. He's crying. We just dropped Dada off, and he's in the house crying because he wants to go with us. I'm more than confident in his ability to have fun here at his Gigi's house. He gets fed here. He gets his favorite snacks. And now we get to go to the park and have fun, not worry about a little baby trying to run away and get kidnapped. We're here at Hurricane Harbor. There's Noah, Sabrina, there's Laura and Stefan, and there's Devin. I can't wait to get in the water. I'm excited. Danny had to go to the car, but he'll be back, and then we're gonna go get in the lazy river. So we're just waiting a little bit longer. Huh? Lazy lake?
Yeah, from Fortnite.
Oh.
Well, he just did that and then it ripped.
Yeah, right? That would suck. Okay, we're about to go to the pool, the big pool. This is where Stefan decided to go first. They're gonna catch up to us. Watch where you're going, Noah. I know, I'm gonna wait right here. Okay, I'm gonna wait for Stefan to get here.
Can I go get it?
Go ahead. Baby, you wanna go in? You can go in.
I'd rather go in a deeper one.
They're coming, my brother's coming. Oh my God, I'm so excited to put this in the pool. I mean, in the water.
Go in the water so you can see yourself. No? You scared? It's just water.
Why don't you take Noah to that slide over there? Yeah.
Hey, when you go, you gotta lay down on your back, okay? Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah, throw them all over. That shit went right up my nose.
I saw you been hold it, and I was like, I need to hold my shoes. And I was like, I need to make sure there we go.
You ain't never. Look, hey, Noah, we're gonna be over there. Hey, this next kid, he's kind of sketch on swimming. Yeah, the yellow one.
The yellow one? Okay.
Yeah. This way, Noah, this way. There you go. There you go. Sabrina. Yeah, it's okay. Hey, feels right here, okay? It's okay. Ready? I got you. Ready? Ready? Come on. Woo! There you go. See, there you go. You want to try again?
Good job, Stefan.
There you go, buddy.
So it is 1:40 and we're in the lazy river. Went to the pirate ship with my nephew, Stefan, and now we're just in the lazy river. And Sabrina's life vest is a little too tight and it's choking her. No one likes their swimming shoes, unfortunately.
I'm wearing them.
I do.
Noah just put his back on.
I like them.
And right now it's very cloudy. Really, it's really cloudy right now, but the weather's perfect. I love it. We couldn't do it with y'all? We all couldn't do it together as a family?
No.
Wow. Hey, I got some water. My brother got it for me. We're at the splash pad area. As you can see, Heaven, I think, went on the slide. Look at Sabrina. Where's Noah? Is he really getting on that?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Well, Noah is supposedly getting on this ride, and it's really high up. I don't believe he's gonna be able to do it. I don't know what it's called. I think it's like a wedgie thing, because it has to be called wedgie something, because there's no way that it's not gonna give you a wedgie. Well, baby.
There you go.
Got my wristband right here where we can come in and out of the park. So we're gonna go into the car because I'm hungry and I want some sandwiches.
And we got some chips.
Yeah, we got some chips. Okay, that's a good view right here. Noah got on that. I can't believe it.
You done?
And Noah, your back flew off right. Foggy. You probably can't see me, but we just left Hurricane Harbor. We got everybody's souvenirs, and Devin already broke his. I have mine for backup, so he can fix it in a way. But I'm in the backpack. I'm not even in the front with Davey anymore. Just in the back. I'm gonna eat some watermelon. I got some cotton candy from my sister-in-law. Thank you, Laura. I appreciated the cotton candy. It was very good. I love cotton candy. That's gonna be all for my video. Goodbye. It's recording now. It just started.
Show them how profile.
You see it? It is recording. Yeah.